does the honours for the right lady. Of a choice, and that has been proudly sponsored by Fijian Minister.
Ba. It is an honor and a great pleasure to be invited again as your chief guest at the closing of this important carnival. More importantly, I also acknowledge our 9 contestants and the 5 little princes. Special Bulavinaka to each one of you, and I thank you for your participation in yet another exciting event. I'm indeed happy to accept this invitation and humbled to have the honor to officially crown the winners of the Ba Riverside Carnival. As most of you would know, that I have had the long involvement with this carnival from my days as the mayor and then special administrator of Ba. Ba, of course, has a special place in my heart because it is my hometown. I owe a lot to this town and will continue to assist in the development of the town and its services. The Ba Riverside Carnival is more than a beauty pageant. It is also an opportunity for the town and the people of Ba to showcase themselves. Over the years, the funds raised from the carnival have gone to a number of verticals. This year, once again, we have a large number of contestants, and the funds raised from the carnival will no doubt go to the verticals. These are exciting times for Ba. The Fiji First government, under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, has embarked on a number of projects of immediate benefit to the people of Ba. Through my ministry, we extended our support by funding towards the horse racing industry in Ba. This is more than just a sport for the people of Ba, as it has a long history. On an even more significant note, the people of Ba will finally have a fully government-financed hospital. For many years, the people of Ba have cried out for this hospital. These are not empty words, but the deeds of this government which speaks for itself. I look forward to being here to see the smiles of the people of Ba when the state-of-the-art hospital facilities is open for your health and wellness. On this note, let me congratulate the Ba Town Council and the Ba Chamber of Commerce and all the other stakeholders for their work with the government in getting this project off the ground, and there is more to be gained by working together. Tonight is a special night for the Queens of the Ba Riverside Carnival. I look forward to seeing you all being capable ambassadors of Ba. The skills in public speaking and general growth in personality from your experience as a contestant should not go to a waste. You are all winners tonight. Let me say that. You are all winners tonight. You will look even better and be winners for life by embracing community work and lending a hand towards the people of Ba in whatever capacity that best suits you. To those who will be crowned tonight, my congratulations to you and your hardworking and generous sponsors. I'm not forgetting your families and friends for the support and love that they have given you. As winners, you carry a special responsibility to lead and to step forward and valuable leaders of our community here in Ba. I would like to thank all the sponsors, organizers, and the business houses that have assisted the Carnival Committee, and of course, you, the general public. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you so much, and I would like to wish the organizers all success for the future in hosting these carnivals. Thank you, and Vinaka Bakalebu.